Hi, on today's Ruby piano tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you that, the theme song from the Halloween movie. Sometimes it's also called the Michael Myers theme. I'm going to show you what we just did slowly, then I'll teach you right hand, then I'll teach you left hand, and then you can learn it up. Here we go. So you're going to start right here on F sharp and C, and then you can just play right here the F sharp, but I'm going to play double F sharps. My notes are doubled, playing them down low. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. That's how the theme goes slowly. Now let's work just on right hand. F sharp and C sharp. You're going to put thumb on F and pinky on C sharp. I'm going to tell you numbers, and the numbers I'm telling you are how many times this pattern goes. So it's going to go 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. That happens twice. So let's give it a try. Ready and go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Do it again. Ready and go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Then you're going to go 1, 1, D, 1. Give it a try. Ready and go. 1, 1, D, 1. So it feels like you're rocking your hand back and forth, kind of like that. That's what I'm thinking of in my brain. I'm not thinking of pushing F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. I'm thinking of rocking my hand. So let's try that whole passage. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, D, 1. Ready and go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, D, 1. And that whole thing you just did happens twice. After that, you're going to come down here. You're just going to slide down until where you land on F and C. And you're going to do that exact same pattern. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So do it again. Ready and go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. But now you're going to go 1, 1, C sharp 1. So let's try that. Ready and go. 1, 1, C sharp 1. So now let's try that whole thing. Ready and go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, C sharp 1. That thing happens twice. So you play this one twice on the black keys, then you play that one twice on the white keys, and that's the whole melody. It's actually pretty easy. So let's try that. We're going to play it twice on here and then twice on there, and then we're going to learn the left hand. Bye-bye, left hand. Here we go. Put your finger on F sharp and C sharp. We're going to go slow. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, D, 1. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, D, 1. Now switch down to the white keys. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, C sharp 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, C sharp 1. Good, and that's right hand. If you can only play right hand, keep playing right hand. But if you want to learn left hand, what I'm really doing on left hand is I am doubling up the notes. But I'm playing them lower because they sound cool low. But I'm going to show you right here higher what I'm doing. You can use one finger. Actually, let me show you that first. You can use it one finger, or you can try the double, whichever is easiest. I'm really playing F sharp, then A, then B flat, and that's it. But I'm doubling up with two hands, F sharp, A's, B flats. So let me show you right here with one finger and how it fits in with this. Okay, here we go. Let's start here on the F sharp. Hit the A. Now hit the B flat. So basically every time your thumb starts a new part of that pattern, it hits a note over here. So let's try it again together. This time you can use one finger or you can double like me. So only practice the left hand till you have it, then you can try the two together. So let's start here on the F sharps. Ready and go. Go to A, Now go up to B flat. Ah, that was horrible the second time. Oops. I'm going to leave that in so you can laugh at me. Haha. Anyways, I messed up because I was thinking of what I was going to say. And I was going to say, right when you're at the A, you're on here, and then this hand slides up while this hand slides down. So let's actually practice that. So go ahead and put your thumbs on A, even if you're using one hand or if you're using two, and then put on F and C sharp, and you're going to practice sliding down and then sliding up at the same time. So let's try that out. So you're going to push them, and now let's slide. Now slide back. And this is a good thing to practice. This is your transition. So if you practice where you transition, then when you go to transition, it'll be easier. That sounds terrible, but this is easy. It's a good little thing to do to help you out. Okay, so I'm going to play the whole thing one more time for you to practice, and then you can practice it and have an awesome day. Yeah, how's that? Anyways, I know I'm cheesy. What are you going to do about it? I like to play it lower because it sounds cool, but I'm going to play it right here so you can see what it looks like with two fingers. You can use one finger. You can use no fingers. Well, I guess you have to use some fingers. But anyways, let's go. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, 1, 2, 1. Change to the A. 1, 1, D, 1. And now the B flat. C sharp. And then it just repeats. And it keeps repeating over and over. Did I say 2 over here? Oh, I meant D. Anyways, now I'm going to do it one time faster. If this is too fast for you, don't do this part. But if you want to work up to playing faster, this is what it's going to be. 1, 2, ready, and go. And that's how it goes. Have fun learning it. If you need to practice just one part or another part, you can rewind as much as you need. And I hope you have a lot of fun. I hope you have a lot of fun learning this song. Anyways, don't forget to leave a like. Comment down below what songs you want me to do, because when I see more songs in the comments, I know what you want me to do. Anyways, I hope that you have an awesome day, and I will see you later. Bye.